Your Facebook friends list is your absolute goldmine. If you don't believe me, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly what to do and how your friends list will open up just amazing opportunities for you and turbocharge your business. Truth is, it works on any niche, works in any industry, but many people just spend all their time mindlessly scrolling on their phones and not realizing just what a powerful thing they have in their hands. Now, a lot of you who watch me a lot, you know I love talking about the fact that for $7 you can have a mega link that allows you access to one of the best Facebook trainings there is, Facebook 101. It is absolutely incredible. It is a goldmine. Okay, so over the next few days, next week, I'm going to show you different parts of how this Facebook 101 is really going to help you. Okay, I'm going to talk about why nobody sees your posts, why no one sees your posts, but more importantly, I'll tell you how to fix it. Okay, so I'm going to break down Facebook's algorithm and show you how likes and comments and message chats and using the Facebook's signals to push your content. And it'll show you, people suddenly look at you, suddenly you'll be getting engagement and you're going to absolutely love it. Okay, I'm going to tell you how to make your storefront, your profile, your storefront, and get it to make sales for you. Okay, that's a really important thing, is to actually have your profile as a storefront engender some know, like, and trust when people come in. Be very, very clear. And I got a very good example of that on my other Facebook. I created a whole new Facebook personal profile just to demonstrate how incredible this Facebook 101 is. Okay, and then today we're talking about your friends list goldmine and how we're going to add the right people. Okay, because it's all about adding the right people. On the one you're watching now, the personal profile I'm watching now, I've got over 5,000 friends and followers. I don't know them. I might know a few hundred. I know several of them are going to be in groups that I know are going to be related to my target audience. But I took the decision to create a brand new profile and then just add friends who are my target audience. So struggling affiliate marketers, business owners, anyone that actually is desperate to make their first commissions online but don't know how to. So it's filling up with those people. And then next week, we're going to be talking about the two-step posts to get people asking you for info. Much better to have people come to you than you chase people. We're not in a chasing game, guys. That's what most people do. We're not chasing, we're letting people come to us. And then, as my mentor says, we're going to go from consumer to producer. That's a mind shift of how we consume. We're currently consuming content on Facebook. We're going to be producing content that's going to bend the algorithm in our favor. Okay, and that's really important. But as I say, today we're talking about the friends list goldmine and how to add the right people. Now, I did create a little PDF spreadsheet that you can have if you want it. Ask for it in the comments or message me directly and I can get it across to you. Okay, if you've got any questions, of course, just ask them in the comments. No problem whatsoever. I'm going to share this little PDF on there. There we go. Look, here we go. And this is it, guys. Okay, it's short and simple. Process 1. Okay, friends list goldmine checklist. Okay, so we're going to use this to build a targeted Facebook friends list that engages with your posts, boosts your algorithm, helps you grow your business without spamming. Okay, that's important. So process 1. Okay, the targeted friend method. I love this one. We go into a Facebook group related to our niche. So my niche is affiliate marketing, side hustles, business growth. And we look for people actively commenting and engaging. Okay, and then we can send them a friend request with a short, genuine message. Hey, I saw your comment in whatever group. I'm also into this topic, would love to connect. Something simple like that. No problem at all. Nothing spammy. We do not want to ever go in with, hey, buy my product. All we want to do is get engagement, chatting to people, and just find out where they are, where they're at, whether we can help them or not. And that's it. Okay. We've got process 2, the past program reconnect trick. Now, I use this all the time because I've been in digital marketing for over 10 years. I've been in some seriously good groups and also some seriously bad ones. But equally, some of the people that I know and I've known for a very long time are in some of these older groups. And they're also like me. They wanted to get digital marketing. They wanted to make money from internet marketing. So all wanted the same thing. And so many fall to the wayside because they chase the next shiny object because they don't stick at one thing and try to make it work. Okay, so don't worry about that. So yeah, we've got lists, groups, courses, or programs that we joined in the past. Okay, we revisit those groups, check who's still active. We want active ones, we don't want inactive ones. Okay, and we had 5 to 10 people a day who are interested in making money online or business growth. Okay, simple. And then we avoid adding people in the exact same business opportunities. So I am in with the OLSP and the mega link, and I'll quickly share that on the screen there. And that is where you can access the full Facebook 101 training. This is just a tiny part of it. I say this is why for $7 it's worth joining just to get access to this training. It really is. Okay, so that's the mega link. The link has dropped in YouTube and on my business page in Facebook. I shall put the link in later, or message me if you're watching on my personal profile. Message me and I'll send you the link on that one. Okay, so yeah, so I won't be going into those groups because they're already buyers and they've already purchased because they're private groups. So no point in me going in there because they will be attributed to somebody else. Okay, so don't want those, but 1 degree separation. So in similar groups, if you don't know where the groups are, type in the group that so if you say you're promoting a product, so you don't want to go in and have you say you're promoting Legacy Builder. You don't want to go into a Legacy Builder group particularly because they're already in it, but you can ask ChatGPT, give me some products and services similar to, or put in the URL, put in similar web searches, and that will show you other products in the same vein, and then you can go join their products or join their groups, and then you can get chatting to people that are in similar but not exact your niche. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so yeah, so we can add 5 to 10 people a day who are interested, and that's process number 3 is friend request cleanup routine. Okay, so when we're going to the friend requests and we're sending out friend requests. Now, not everybody is going to come back and answer and become your friend, okay? But we want to take them off then. So give it 7 to 10 days and then remove them, okay? We don't want Facebook thinking we're just spamming, so just take them off. If they're not replying in 7 to 10 days, probably not going to reply to you anyway, so we take those off, okay? And we keep outgoing requests to under 30 a day. I try to do about 30 a day. Basically, Facebook keeps in saying you've done enough, so stop. So Facebook will tell you to stop. If you keep doing it, they might throw you in jail for 7 days, but hey, we don't let that worry us. Process 4, of course, is custom link segmentation. This is brilliant. If you don't know this, you're going to love it because we can segment our list. So as we're adding these people, we can add them and we can say they're business friends, we can say they're prospects, we can say which groups they've come from, so we can target. So I can target affiliate marketers, I can target business owners, I can target Gen Xers that are looking for side hustlers. So I can have those 3 different types, and that way I can then create content, send it just to that segment, and they will get that in their feeds 9 times out of 10, okay? Or more often than not, if you've segmented that list and send a post to that list, they will then actually get to see that post. That's really cool. And then, of course, we got the engage before you add habits. So before sending out a request, go and see them, go see what they're posting, see if they're active. Here's the thing. A lot of people, when I'm doing this, I can go into their Facebook profiles and I think, yeah, they're ideal. But then I see they haven't actually posted anything since 2023, 2022, maybe 2024. I'm thinking, okay, they're not really that active in their profile. So are they really a good fit? I kind of push them to the side. But ones that are active and posting, then go in, say something on there, find something good to say about what they're doing, so see their little comments, see their posts, and comment and get to know them that way. By doing that, more chances they'll actually see that, they'll see the comment, and then when they see your friend request, they'll go, oh yeah, okay, cool, no problem, they're a nice person, so they add them. That is how we do it. So that's basically the 5-step process for adding friends. Okay, hopefully you found that you found that interesting and helpful. And as I say, if you would like the PDF, so you can have it as a little checklist, so you can tick it off every day. Literally every day, part of my daily method of operation that I have there. Yeah, that's what we do. Okay, and that's what gets results. And so, do let me know if you want to know. Now, if you want to know from demonstration, if you want to actually see me do that, if you want to look over my shoulder, then maybe we can do that on a live stream next week. Okay, but do let me know, and yeah, we'll work it out so you can actually see me. Actually, if you go into my schools community, let me put that link up as well. Somewhere, here we go. Yeah, so the Digital Income Freedom Hub, that's my free community in the schools platform. Then you can actually see me. You can have a little look over the shoulder, go into the OLSP training, I think it is, and you can actually see what I do to warm up people, part of my daily operation, my daily method of operation. And then you can actually see me in over the shoulder actually doing it, but more than happy to do it live if people want to watch it live next week. Okay, this is it. Short, sharp, and sweet little live stream. Whatever you're doing, have an amazing Saturday, and I will see you again tomorrow.